account, you call the use fake account, take the right. Ask Brokos how many times he sent that. He sent her go the family house. Also, the Lovati may win or you or we no one. I'll beg I don't even you know those explanations. I know you know anything what who was what.
No good explain. Explain. What year you explain? Explain. See you now. See person we boy. Go bijou. Now this is you don't wait to follow the waka.
Wait. See wait. I been here. I want many people here. Now, more say go post this thing by yourself. For don't be love post for there. They listening. Because one confess, listen.
Because of posting, now you have the betty to be a man. Issue will be a near a bad drag.
They say na Lovette. He say na almost say na post that Lovette by herself for a platform not being. He say na Lovette na post by herself.
Just imagine. You know that Lovette na shameless woman. Just imagine.
No, almost say. He say na almost post by herself, not being posted for there.
Okay.
Say na almost say. Hey Stephanie, we are with TikTok na Stephanie. Dogo ku no ya nyori kyo da baby father we. Oh, Gina, no one camera that been a did not be
Stephanie. So the Stephanie is the meeting abi.
No, I don't know. That one on live video for this morning.
Wow.
That one on live video. That one did the meeting. I don't know whether they say you want to go gallant. Now suffer.
All of now we do that meeting. Ogodo Beluwa.
Me no say they say they do lesbian. Can you imagine? This is the day go see they do lesbian. This is the day they leak people to. And the day they leak women to for Europe, this woman they leak people to. With the fat lesbian, we don't say the day lesbian still day. And the day lesbian still day. Urobo woman again. I don't see Urobo woman for another lesbian issue. I be saying anytime you the saga lesbian and Urobo in person must to be. How come you go take busy now Urobo must to be? Anytime the saga lesbian must to be Urobo. Yeah, she's the lesbian at Tiebonuwa. Yeah, lesbian at Tiebonuwa. No, na lesbian all of them be. Hey, no Tiri baby father.
No be una sister they put there. No be una sister they put there. I don't understand. No be una sister they put there.
Because me ko tire lesbian come too much of Urobo na. Lesbian is the lesbian again for Urobo land. Is the lesbian again. They say they see young children say they never know rich. Now they do the nonsense. Now they cause they see the lesbian to Polo. Because they see the lesbian, they see young lesbian, the lesbian for Benjo. After her shower for 15 years. After her shower for 15 years.
Huh.
Omo say we wa hime omo say yan wu geme wa afia wo omo say kuwe kokoro wa ba afia wu ugeme nu geme ni ogo kan gbijiju e ogun gbijiju omo say mi amebo gbuwe nu ya da yo we mu ebo gbu e jan ogun agbijiye brokosi no ro kabe o gbijiju we no ogun no gberiru we no ogun omo say wa lori ari edede ne ku emu 55 years old woman or you so you can webo wa lori ari omo say 55 years old woman no you so you can get that when I that go where you okulo who be pay live video
just imagine
money now this woman dey for live video
man when you say
as I dey talk to you so this woman dey look me for live video since morning this woman no fit for live video it's just the live video since morning this woman don frustrate almost say don depress almost say don depress
now bring it up to himself because you know why.
Almost say don't depress as I talk to you. So he's a depressed woman. Almost say he's a frustrated woman.
It's full as 40.
Almost say because he will go on board. Because he will to assume then we don't want say who are going on. Why your side here, Kotopolo?
I'm come out, Cotton. I come out. Okay. Yeah, quite again.
Who got? I'm not sure. See, you know what happen now. Almost say you on live video. Like they watch my live video for his side. This woman now, don't they depressed. You know they feel they come on for TikTok again. Almost say. Never my picture where you no to boy agek boy man. Where go women my picture go na you we free. Why asun? Where we agek picture where we ni why fian go wagbon. Where we go where we no we women we mu where you man.
Just imagine. If this woman will say claim to be a responsible or a good woman.
Look at this useless fellow saying we pay for live video. Almost say good evening. Almost say see pet for another grant. See pet for another grant. Almost say we go be see man when they track for almost say no lawyer dey work more than
you know who's going to buy better boss and a pet they wait for Europe.
See man when they track it prick. See man when they defend. Almost say no.
He do breast like woman. This one are gay. This brokers na gay. See breast now.
Almost say toi look dirty. Go be see me na omadia gbon when almost say look at your life today now you can't be. Almost say look at your life today now. See man when you fight for. See man.
I don't know what all this is. I don't know what all this is. They see with prick.
See man when you fight for.
Because of prick. Man when no fit take care of you. Man when no fit take care of you because of prick. You go to post your fellow woman naked and put for your platform because of prick.
See man when you fight for. See man when you fight for. In your they watch me for a second. Why soon we see man when you fight for more say. See the man when you fight for. See pet for live video. See pet for live video. Topolo, I don't wait be something to give you Topolo. I don't wait be something to give you. See almost I don't wait be see man when more say they cry the follow. Almost say no they come for live video again. Almost say no they give you children food again. Almost say no they give you children food again. As we talk now, almost say no they give you children food again. Almost say no they get chance to give you children food. Almost say no they get chance to give you children food again. Almost say don't they depressed. Almost say TikTok don't depress. Almost say for social media. See man,
you that woman, you selling woman, you will shop disgrace for this TikTok. You selling woman, you go suffer. You selling woman, you go suffer. We go to boy.
See the select woman.
You go to suffer.
Osman all day go the damo to Osman all day he go the damo to this one he go smoker. Alaluwe.
And the dignity woman.
He say him fair. Yeah, for fair. Alaluwe. See your life now. Look at your life today now. You know what this woman call they do because Topolo, you know what this woman call they do? This woman call the factor more say against brokers. In they follow more say the quarter say what more say go they post brokers. Why go they post brokers? Because this is idiot.
In the five brokers.
In the end, brokers getting number. Brokers getting number.
I swear to God, if you toast any woman now, for example, say you toast anyone, no good for you, anyone will not good for you. Just the app, you know why? Now they know your action. You see, the reason why all these men they don't follow people like the brokers, they are confused men. Real men for Europe, they are to see woman because they don't like real men. They like men when they oppress, they suppress, they control. If you dey easy to control for Europe, women go dey run follow you, they go dey fight for you, not because say you find or you get money. Now because say they feel manipulate, they feel go fuck, cause they say I just go fuck, get one man I just say I just go fuck am. You know fit talk. Babe, may you just turn this semona, you know talk. Babe, I beg, you just give me some more time, my friends they come, you know fit talk. They like all those kind of men when they feel they use. They talk to anyhow, they cause their mama, they cause their papa for his ass. Now those kind of men they like. Now make I
I come Urobo woman go born for 3 man, no, you not there anyone. Urobo woman go born for 3 man, you not there with anyone. You know with any baby papa.
You know the matter of what you contract for Europe.
No, what you contract for woman break record. Me never see big man woman. This one break record. This Urobo woman break record. 3 men, you not there with anyone. He break record. He break record. This one break record. 3 baby papa. He call see the first Stephanie baby papa. This woman the first Stephanie baby papa. Stephanie say me leave the break for madam. Stephanie say me you leave the break.
If you pass 3, wow, so.
Stephanie say me you leave the prick for or see me kia or see me don't know enegbe or see me don't know enegbo you obole kankan obi jese all these are the chop meat now so fish so you know the chop fish and one name we ya waki see we phone when dey for here see we phone
he just say na believe for bro
Who's can local woman be this? Who's can we won't be this? Who's can we won't be this? Who's can we won't be this? What did they call this we won't fellow Nigeria? What did they call this we won't? Where this Urobo woman wears? Who's can we won't be this? Who's can we won't be this?
If I not get, I say I dey be like I dey do like the brokers now. She they will say I be debtor. She they say I be debtor. Like I dey do like brokers now.
Me the answer. Tompolo, who's can we won't be this? Tompolo, Tompolo, who's can we won't be this? Who's can we won't be this one? Me the answer. Who's can we won't be this?
What if that guy for France? That thief. That one I sell and give her.
Give them power and I sell for her. Now give them power and I say this. Nothing you tell me. Now give them power and I say this. Give them power. Ogun go give them power. You know better for you. Now you say this kind we won't give them power. Why Lord ya why soon go give them power no go kill. Give them power and I say this. Now give them power and I say this. Give them power. Now give them power that fake account. Let's say this.
Salametic.
They go back we vote for criminal for France. You see they depend. They depend all this one now. Since when the yokoteto say no more ashawo. Ekina wa gbiyan no rime wirido. No rime wirido. This woman dey level 30. Mona has who use and take gift. Mona has this woman who use level 30 take give this retired prostitute. Who you use level 30 take give madam no lawyer. TV baby papa no one you dey.
I agree the also.
Bros I treat you.
The what to follow. Hello, Baba.
I greet you, Baba. Tiri baby papa, no one you deal with. You cause they do lesbian. Madam, you cause they leak Toto. Tiri baby papa, no one you agree stay with. You come begin they do lesbian. Madam, na Toto you call the leak for Europe. I saw that's you. What can we vote this one put for air? So what did they call vendor? What did they call this air? Mona go call gift empire come. Mona go call gift empire come. Me call tell me what did they call this air? Mona go call gift empire come. When I will call gift empire come for me now, that gift empire and I will know this name of this air. When this is the day we are so this is the day you don't go in full place, no go ever see man for there. Ole she now. Mr. Merkel, me don't tire for all these women for Europe, Mr. Merkel. Mr. Merkel, not be joke, our women for Europe, they don't get husband though. No husband though. Women will get husband for Europe, not this 10% oh. They not this 10% oh.
Make a tell me now, nobody they believe me. So I be for now, Not be this woman we select cloth for that DP.
Nah, this one I mean go back to million candle. No, that your select pastor go keep papa. That one a select pastor who can bury that or go and BJ select pastor ni. You know better for him. You know better for that.
See the way, see we did it. Swear your swear. Or go BJ, or go BJ there.
BJ select pastor ni. Go and BJ wa mi ogun. Okay, BJ select pastor ogun.
They don't use my name to put fake account to case you do away. I can't not buy me. I won't that's so yeah no yeah no wow no.
The door is open. The door is open.
They don't use my name. Yeah, me I keep fake account in here now
actually no this woman so actually no actually know this woman so actually know her.
If you say this woman don't run some kind package with brokers so then the brokers
get brokers number get brokers number this woman get brokers number this woman is still lesbian and lesbian you see the leak toto this woman the leak toto this woman the leak toto
Jesus
lesbian
that one don't they rate long ago many Nigeria girls do one. Many Nigeria girls in Winiano, but you call Napoli now. Where me?
This one not be guess, bros. This one is EJ. This is 40-something years old man when they leak Toto so. Now 40-something years old man they leak Toto so. This one not be guess.
This one senior brokers now. It's senior brokers so.
Should say this senior brokers. Almost say he's 55 years old. Almost say when brokers they follow brokers is 55 years old.
For real?
Almost say he's 55 years old. Who are they go for? The old pussycat. Old pussycat. Everybody in your most we wagging they down, they not saw it all. This one, no. This one, you dey bench, go that jeep. Now jeep, this one, the right for bench or jeep. No husband do. Okmane mo gwe, eri mo uji o, uri re. Mama pune mo gwe, eri mo uji o, uri re. Tiri baby papa, you not deal with anyone. Of your mocking me like leather. This one, they carry children, they go like pig, like bebeye. If they carry children, they walk like bebeye. They carry children, they walk like pig. No husband for us, no husband, nothing. They carry children, they work like pig, they born like pig for different men. on a veut qui au dafe Stéphanie on a veut qui on a répondre et on a veut qui a fini on a be on a be qui on a be on a la na le strawberry go view opona nous dans les lesbiennes wa finya wa bon okay now you want to say you know be Benin you be Yoruba you know be Benin ogun gbeje jouer ogun gbeje jouer o sunwo de na weruwa afia ma gbo afia ro wo gbo wa lori are wa gbon ifi area o le jese o le kankan wa en kankan si moroko no so alaluwe very useless people no dan say na na weekly baby father ni abie na we mi abi ti mo no da wa no ka wa re we bo ege ni en abie na ni me wa with TikTok here any my wa with TikTok here abi ti won ni na abie na you can never see them on social media abi ti won ni Facebook any waje Facebook any abi baby papa no wa bun Facebook any waje any wa ga from Victor with Facebook you know they see them for TikTok abi baby papa na Facebook ya gwa we ma wa with TikTok here baby papa again na Facebook na gwa ya gwa wa wu aka the woman don't bon for tiri me share toto share for Europe e don share toto share e no mo bi Nigeria mo na kokobiri bon for e ji kokobiri ona be bien na o ona be bien ebo e kokobiri abi ebo na ibo ibon for abi na e ji kokobiri mi elewu o bien kokobiri we bejo o momo le kokobiri we bejo ije o momo le kokobiri we bejo o momo le kokobiri we bejo kokobiri sa chiki wanai kokobiri sa chiki dede we are wa na wara o yo to na e to no fo wa bun se wuwu e to wa fo gian o fi moto e do wa mo se na gbo fo me mate ya wo ma do wa madan Madam, you got to go and do why you live a fake life, madam. You go in Nigeria. They say your house in Nigeria, you never finish her. They say your house in Nigeria, man, you bo wa for systematic big in Wayari webo. No Wayari webo systematic big in your man, you bo wa for madam. You do what I'm saying, I'm for me. It's moto, I'm saying, I'm for me. I'm so we have a Loriari, almost say, wow, do I want more quick a brocosi. Wa fi boy book mari mi no je wa so wa David we wa for we standing useless set of other people for Europe useless set of other people ali dede si gomoda no e so wa re Berlin na ni me ori etie ni an no re Berlin la wa e dede ya wo we ro e dede of almost 49 years na ya wo we ro e dede wa ya le la wa mari mi wa pa TikTok na the road they go dey stay fake account they call the watch lucky ave ni we mu si una life na no wa ya ri TikTok e me America ye mune kia ena wa men union ya wa do ya na people baby father always want to sleep with ole sele we wa ri na people baby papa na sele woman they sleep with people baby papa baby papa na je be o mu baby papa no ya mu lesbian re ole sele I go buck hand for your head I go buck hand for your head. I go buck hand e kandok bijoué. E c'est le pasteur ogon bijije. Your pastor for sel ogon bijije. Ogon bijije c'est le pasteur ya. E gani ani amugu we di eche. E wo kan do ya threatening we tito. E gana na mugu we di eche nu fian wu yo nu yo we ya alabe wo. Ototo we ya na ya paloa. When this man not the wear slippers because say you want dress ele, e gi be slippers. Oh, you want to leg don't finish. When not you wear slippers. Select cloth when they will become for you. Select cloth when they will become for you. Then you want to 30 people for TikTok. Yeah, get candle ya wa. Yeah, e candle beji jouer. Oh, gon be la lo du. Oh, gon beji jouer. Oh, gon beji jouer avec candle beji jouer. Yeah, get candle ya wa. Yeah, get candle ya wa. U loriaria. Actually, where you for know this woman Actually, if you not tell me if you know this woman, I go hang your picture. Actually, you will see, and let me tell you. Look me koro san. See my eye. If you not tell me if you know this woman, actually, I go hang your picture. Now let me tell you. I will do you take for this TikTok. Because you know this woman for that bench when that woman did. If you not tell me if you know this Ashawo woman for bench or whether I carry you come Europe for me, I never know. If you not tell me if you know this woman, actually, everybody go tell you. Because they say you know this woman for bench actually, you know her. You know actually it didn't and they come for you. I go use saga to bend your neck. Now saga will take bend your neck actually. You say, let me first now if I pronounce saga, Actually, if I pronounce saga anywhere on a day, if I pronounce saga, because this woman, you know her. I be na your church member, actually. Now go. You be like say this woman na your church member. Because this morning you have for comment section say you know her. This actually when wear glass like weather. When wear glass like weather, so you. When we wear glass like weather. I'm coming for you. Forgive you. They tell you say me want may God bless me, and you want to be lucky. So may not be lucky now. Me mommy lucky. May not be lucky. Me mommy lucky. I will forgive. I God bless. Who even can teach me how to read now? I prefer that time when I don't know how to read. Who even teach me how to read now? I prefer that time when I don't sabi read. I not see all this thing now. If I get what I mean, that's supposed to good. If you do TikTok, you're not supposed to know how to read comment section. Anybody when they do TikTok, you know your notebook, now you're better pass me. Never see what they write. I don't even know because it teach me how to read small now. I don't know. You know why when this TikTok teach me how to read. You know better for this TikTok. I don't even know what teach me how to read now. When everything they see this one comment. Now wait till concern this one comment, fellow Nigeria. When I cause go they pay attention to the comment. I don't know. I beg. I know you know. I'm not supposed to know how to read. I don't want to look at you now they write. Now your girlfriend had tissue. Your boyfriend had tissue. Your kokobiri boyfriend had tissue. Your kokobiri boyfriend had tissue. Your kokobiri boyfriend had tissue. Only Coca-Cola. Hey, Madam Coca-Cola. Madam Coca-Cola. Now your boyfriend had tissue. Madam Coca-Cola. Or Simikia. They say that woman not they let your husband come up for us. That woman will comment just now. They say not they let your husband come up for us because of all these bench job women. They say because of all those bench job women, that woman they lock your husband for his house. Now this woman they go supermarket, then they go agriculture. You know they let your husband they come up for because of all these bench job women. Because of all this bench job. They first tell me say bench job women they lock a man for his house for 795 days. I don't believe. This one will lock man for his house. He go lock woman for his house. Asha will both lesbian. Then they do. Select cloth. Mother, they tell you say we the fear select. Select cloth when they break up for DHN. Then you want to go to the threatening us on TikTok. Select cloth when they ogun bitro. E mata ogun bitro. Ogun no bitro bowe amada. Ogun no kan bitro bowe mada. Mada ogun no kan bitro bowe. U wa bitro u wa deva wa bitro u wa sungu. U wa bitro sungu amada ke e man u wa eva sungu. Ke mada wa me man u wa eva sungu ona no bi bakoni. E je ona we bakoni we meche ya mu wa romi mada. E pa we me ye ti ya mu wa romi ya. E bakoni we ye wie. Uwe ye wie bakoni true. True. We may yeti rete one room. True. We ye bakoni. Upon I tell you, say you come up for bakoni. True. You are still in bakoni what today. In your call him will be na we why you bakoni. In your meeting will be na we why you bakoni will be na bakoni will be. Men, they all leave them. May they all did there. Just leave them. May they all did there. May they watch me. He may have fiama bien wa biti talking na fiama. Afima me ya gbeni ya. Itro, we may ye ti rete one room itro. Itro, who we ye back on it. Itro, ya tama ya wo ka we me we phone. Itro, ya call me be ravena, ya we phone wo ka we den, ya wo me we. Ozo no na ti ri TikTok ke do ade true ne we mu. No lord ya ri wa gbo itro. Itro, ya wo ka we me we phone no den we. E baba centro, e baba ni re centro. E na lu ni re na gbe centro, ya mami go centro ya. Itro, ya call me ya wo ka we me we phone. Iya wo ka we me we phone itro we get make a call na no lord ya ri wa gbo no sun wu my boy. Itro my boy. Itro no ye plastic plate ya ri ba na me broke cup no ye bikeri nwa me. Itro no ye bikeri ya nwa me na me broke cup wo wa. E je wa no ye we bo 42 years ye me broke cup wo wa. Itro map na yari ba de pusi we yari ba itro rubber plate na the supermarket itro we yari ba wa ri ba na o meme we boy itro wa ri ba na o meme they chop like crispy for Europe itro as old as you are. I advise you as my younger brother itro when that's one so when I feel beg me itro we 70 euro me pay ye one room we me wa log ball on itro every time me won me ya advise we as my younger brother itro. Did I went wrong to advise you as my junior brother that you are? No, na do aro we metro, una do ro we why assassin me why assassin. It's true. I advise you as my younger brother. He may advise you as my younger brother. So why you call they insult me? Or to not join me until you put the noir, it's true. Can't your senior brother advise you? Ain't true. Me as your senior brother, can't I advise you? If you put the noir, know how to talk in public because you don't know how to talk in public. You are my junior brother, and I called you out on social media to advise you. Where did I went wrong? Where did I went wrong, Itro? That you were not insulting me, pouring insult on me, your senior brother. You were not pouring insult on your senior brother, Itro. You don't have respect. You lack respect, Itro. You lack respect. Are you listening to me? You lack respect. Just your senior brother advise you now, so here with it talking. Can't I advise you? Itro, can't I advise you? Are you know my younger brother? Itro, no lori ari wagbon. Are you know my younger brother? Yeah? You're a very stupid nuisance. You're a barbarian human being, bro. Stop playing when you will learn. Itro, you are going to learn the hard way. Nonsense. I remember way back, you were my junior student in what did they call this school? Oh, long time left Nigeria, bro. What did they call in a Dokbolo? You were my junior student. You were my junior student. Itro, no lori ari wagbon, no feel boy bari me ono je wese. Wa gbe wa ko true. Wa gbe wa ko. Nonsense. Osham be say I beg sorry for English. Can you speak English? You that is this, can you speak English? Do you know how to speak English? Do you speak English more than me? Do you think I'm a mini-trait? I beg, sorry for English. What are you saying? I'm an adult man. I'm not even supposed to be speaking English. What are you saying? Talking, you're telling me, I beg, sorry if I'm not an Englishman. I'm an adult man. To hell with English. No, leave that account. Account anymore. What's here is untouchable account.
Yeah,
akatini amyugu no si akatini amyugu akatini
ya te wa gbemu ke sabisa ko
gba katini gbera wisa gba katini
Wenu egbe.
iyobo buna katini je gba katini usaro
this woman you bona recognize
usaro gbake ogusa chicken na gbake
Ogusa chicken ni na we gbegbe woten.
so I say I don't recognize and in case of electricity
anyone for be moderator mona you leave that account anyone for moderator wawa asia ogun no ware wa ni ogun han gboku na ogun ni omo se ya wo wash no omo se ogun han gbiji ju omo se ogun han gbiji ju egbiji brokos see you and your brokos now e for brokos we so e wa we mo se no be ewe mo se a de mo
and are you post to you not come back on talk say na you post am e brokos you dinner
wàá tá mo mọ̀ ṣe wẹ́n náà láwọn àjà ọmọ ṣe ra dè mọ́ àwọn rótọ́ ọmọ ṣe ra dè mọ́ àwọn rótọ́ ìlàbíjọ́ mọ̀ ṣe wà wọ́n bí máa yọ̀ ọmọ ṣe wàá tá mo mọ̀ ṣe náà wẹ́ gba mẹ́sàn-án wàá tá ọmọ ṣe tún àti ẹ̀sìn lọ́mọ ṣe máa rí ẹ.
Let me do exchange. We are doing that. We are mobile salary.
Mi àwọn amúgbé yẹn wọ́n yẹn wọ́n yẹn wà wọ́ṣì mi wọ́n yẹn wọ́n yẹn wọ́ṣì mi wọ́n. Ogun gbèsè yẹn mú gbèrè yẹn ìyẹn wọ́n ní wàárẹ̀ live video no we are this na ọmọ pàrọ̀ live video ọmọ sì yẹ sọ wọn mẹ́mẹ́ sí yẹn anybody wey know that ọmọ say family that man need rescue ọmọ say need therapy joke and pass they don use saga take fet ọmọ say brain ọmọ say no dey think well again ọmọ say need therapy because ọmọ say na don turn to saga woman. Omo say na don't turn to saga woman. Na saga omo say can they do. Woman of 55 years na saga can they do with children. Woman of 55 years na saga now omo say can they do for TikTok. Omo say is 55 years old woman. No was rolling the brokos now 55 years old woman now omo say be 55 years old woman. Now they hear me so. Omo say is 55 years old. When they move they follow brokos so He just dey tell this woman this morning. He looking at me. What saga? Opona we do. Opona we oboye he. We man brokosi. We man brokosi. Waya finya waya salu awagbon. Abi dede si gomoda. Abi ne kwe mu. All of na toto dey for outside. Scott we omo say. Scott say they send omo say toto give am. Scott say he get omo say toto. Say brokos use mistake take some omo say toto give am. Any toto brokos record they send they give Scott. He don't go use mistake now take send omo say toto give Scott. Scott now don't owe toto. He no go delete again. Everybody the best Scott say Scott delete toto. Scott say for where? Scott say for where?
Wahala.
And now why they ask what happen to the lady? You will come up to come and God. You know what better for person will teach me how to read? Cause I low boy. Now you be now. Oh God, send request. Come ask what this woman do for up. You send request. No the right I be illiterate. I don't know book. I don't know how to read. I want to know what you write. Now villager for grow. I want to know what you write. You come talk to me. I go listen to you. I don't know how to read and write. Me, I don't know how to read and write. You send your request, come carry you come up. That time I tell you say this woman a 3 baby papa he get. He still they do lesbian. Only in a still ashago. Oh Lord, yari wa gbon edede no say get. Dede ki o ma yi gbo keke. Edede ki o ma yi just all of una set now. More they say they gallant lady and we are tell gallant lady. More say ke wona and to know many of una name I call the day I want to go to tell them they marry now. All this is the day so I want to go to tell them they marry. I want to go to tell this the day me they marry. I will the dinner when I am on do. When I am on do I will the dinner. Fellow Nigeria, mona double tap for me. Why fiame ofonite why wa fona afonite itane why brokosi gagbonwe brokosi gagbonwe arwa o pina for na you get brokos pina for na you get brokos pina for na you get Pina for eye, you get brokos in Usung. Now this eye, you see the do camera down. This eye, my brother, the brokos guy with camera down. A span knowledge of AK brokos of will be carry copy. A span this guy na animal. A span knowledge of AK brokos of will be carry copy. For phone, we are not we get phone we get. A span no salad of AK brokos. Go for people thing. Konjin they really they worry this guy. Konjin they really they worry this brokos. Brokos is a samekia we are mi span no large avekia. O saya biomene. The brokos is a wa samekia span li tu la dia. Oje jiji. Salo wa mi da o me brokos na wa. Brokos na crispessing. Nothing anybody will fit tell me brokos na crispessing na brokos be crispessing. Nothing anybody fit tell me. Nothing anybody fit tell me, hey, me no banana, me yari live video, I will send the message now. Are you not take the live video? Understand me now? We go that for more, say, we lukudeti. The message me I go forward that time I say confirm. Remain wow.